All right, guys, so we're back here with our next task, which is gonna be getting up into the attic and inspecting it, making sure everything's going good up there, make sure your insulation is adequate and things like that. We haven't been up here in a long time, so we're gonna see what we can find up here. Also, this is an insurance task, so make sure that you guys are taking the before, during, and the after photos. You could have some heat loss, which could melt snow on your roof, create water damage, ice dams if it's cold out, and you could have some problems that the insurance company would have to pay for. So you want to make sure that we are following those steps as we do this task. The first step for this task is going to be actually climbing up in there, and since Becca has done all the cleaning and the dusting stuff for this month, I'll be the one to take the bullet and go up there.
And I've got a respirator for him because there's insulation and just for your safety and, you know, for your lungs and stuff.
Also, make sure the monsters up there don't have COVID or something. So, all right, can we get that?
And it looks like there's like a big gap around the
So there's
door.
a few inch gap around the insulation, so it's kind of inadequate because you're trying to insulate the attic door. We're gonna have to throw some more insulation up here to get it a little bit better coverage. I was just up there, it's cold up there as well, which is kind of what you want.
You can really
but
feel the draft coming.
that's why we need to cover up the door.
Going up into the attic.
We're kind of looking around, inspecting everything. You can see those wires there are nice and good. No rodents. Doesn't look like there's any sign of anything getting up in here. All the wires look good and nothing's chewed up, so that's a good sign. You can see the light coming in from the louvers there, and also on this side of the house. All looks nice up here, and we're looking good.
There's no monsters out there, or bats, or abnormally large spiders. Well, maybe you can put some more insulation up on that this weekend or something.
Okay.
We've got time. And also for ladder safety, you really want to make sure that it's nice and sturdy. I mean, it's pretty good, but sometimes attics will have actual like a pull down ladder, or you can always call a home team professional too if you feel like you're not wanting to do this task, or if you're scared of monsters.
And that's it for the attic.